Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make Gongura Pachadi. It is a famous Andhra dish where you can have with hot plain rice or as a pickle. So this Gongura, it is of two varieties. You can see the purple stalk over here. The other variety is the green one. And the leaves will be like, the shape will be like this, three cones like this. So you have to just pluck the leaves and you should remove such kind of leaves. Only the without any worms. Take care, not the leaves should not have any worms or anything like that. Don't put that one. You should pluck only the leaves part. Even this stalk part and all you should not put for this pachadi. Once all the leaves are plucked, wash the leaves thrice to remove all the mud particles. Once the leaves are washed, dry it on a cotton cloth and dry it till the moisture content is not there in the leaves. So now the leaves are dried up. You have to chop roughly. Put around 4 spoons of sesame oil. So to that oil, add the Gongura leaves little by little. Add, fry. Then again add, fry. Like that you have to do for all the Gongura leaves. If oil is not sufficient, put some more oil to that. So fry until all the leaves turn brown. Till then keep frying. If you feel that oil is not sufficient, put some more oil. So now as you can see, the Gongura leaves have wilted. Switch off the stove and close the pan with a lid. So for 3 bunches of Gongura leaves, I have taken almost 30 numbers of red chilies. Then a lemon size tamarind. Around 5 spoons of jeera seeds. And 1 spoon of methi seeds. Now fry the jeera seeds till a nice aroma comes out. Now dry fry the methi seeds till it turns to golden brown. So next one, fry red chilies. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes, that is sufficient. So now that the fried ones are cooled and it has come to room temperature, so I am adding a little bit of jaggery over here and powder it very nicely. Now I am adding 2 spoons of table salt. So now as you can see, all the spices have been ground well. take another pan and put around 5 to 6 spoons of sesame oil. Once it is heated up, add mustard seeds, red chilies and hing as tadka. So once the tadka is over, put that tadka onto this gongura leaf. Keep the flame in low and mix well. Now add the ground powder to gongura leaves. So now as you can see, the gongura pachadi is ready. So to this one again I am going to put tadka. So for the tadka, put sesame oil to this. Once it is heated up, you have to put just the urad dal and chana dal. So now as you can see, in the whole process of making gongura pachadi, I have used a huge amount of sesame oil so that you can preserve the pachadi for a longer period. Gongura pachadi is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.